Is bankruptcy changed if you're on disability? Hi, I'm attorney Leroy Roberson, back to talk about this topic for you. And the answer is, it kind of depends. If you're on disability and you're not receiving any income while you're on disability, it can affect your Chapter 13 bankruptcy. It's probably not going to do anything to your Chapter 7 bankruptcy, because in your Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you're usually trying to qualify under the means test. And if you're not earning any income, it's going to be much easier to qualify under that means test. Now, if you're only on temporary disability and you're going to restart receiving your normal income that could affect the means test, then that's where it would become an issue under a Chapter 7. Now, in a Chapter 13, if you're on disability and you're not receiving income, it could affect your Chapter 13 because they're going to look at if you're able to have enough income coming in to make your plan payment and any secured payments like your mortgage and your car payment. You have to stay current on those. So if you're on disability and not receiving any income and you were relying on whatever income you were making before you were on disability to qualify, that's how you could be affected under Chapter 13. And under that scenario, I would suggest that if you have someone that can contribute to your Chapter 13 plan, that would be a good time to do so. Now, I want to talk briefly about if you're on disability and you're receiving income. It's kind of the same thing. If you're in a Chapter 7 and your disability income is still going to keep you qualifying under the means test, then you're not going to be affected in disability. Chapter 13, the same scenario kind of is going to be applicable. If that disability income is going to be enough to allow you to qualify to pay your plan payment and stay current on all your other payments, then you're not going to be affected. If your disability income is lower than what your income previously was and you're no longer going to be able to afford that plan payment or stay current on your other payments, you're going to still need to look to get some type of contributing income from a family member or a friend in order to qualify. So that's the long and the short of it. There's no direct answer, but in general, being on disability isn't it doesn't kill you from being able to file for a bankruptcy. It just you have to take a closer look at your income numbers while you're on disability to make sure that you're still going to fall in line with whatever chapter you're looking to file while you're on disability. So that's it, guys. If you have any other questions, feel free to let me know and we can talk about it in more depth. If not, I will talk to you guys on the next video. Thanks, guys.